So the question you're asking yourself now, of course, is what happens in a coaching session? And I have to tell you, they're great fun. Absolutely great fun. So you turn up to a coaching session and what do? You bring with you your current challenges. We'll talk about what's happened between coaching sessions. We have a term for that. We call it a whiffle, what I feel like expressing. Once we've been through that process, we will look at your current challenges for the week, what it is you want to achieve, or the current challenges for the fortnight, and what it is you want to achieve. And then as we get into the coaching session, it will be all about helping you to realize the solution to the problems that you've brought to the table. Now, this varies obviously from coachee to coachee and from session to session, but the principle is the same. And then before you leave the session, we introduce something that we call a focus sheet. And the focus sheet is designed specifically to give you a personal goal and 3 business goals for you to achieve before you come to the next session. Now, why would we do that, you ask? Well, this is your time to work on the business and not in the business. And that's crucial because the process that we go through during a coaching session is designed to make you a better business owner. Not that you're not great already, but to make you better than you were before in order that you can achieve your goals. So the end of that coaching session finishes with a focus sheet designed to get us to a 90-day goal, designed to get us to an annual goal, designed to get us to the ultimate goal that you want for you and your business. And so ultimately, this is designed to get you to where you want to be, which is a commercial, profitable enterprise that works without you, the ultimate goal for every business owner. Thank you. In the next session, we're going to talk more about the detail of exactly what those sessions entail.